Welcome back to the Digital Asset Report. Crypto markets opened the week mostly down after a volatile October that ended Bitcoin's 7-year Uptober streak. Midterm sentiment across digital assets has soured as investors weigh global growth concerns, ongoing trade tensions between the US and China, and a more cautious Federal Reserve following last week's Fed meeting. Altcoins are under pressure too, following a wave of liquidations that cleared more than $1 billion in leveraged positions across the market. Analysts say investors are waiting for a new catalyst before taking fresh positions, with volatility expected to remain high through the month. Corporate earnings are leading the headlines. Michael Saylor's Strategy Incorporated, formerly MicroStrategy, reported $2.7 billion in profits last quarter, driven by Bitcoin's summer rally. The company continues to expand its Bitcoin treasury and reaffirmed ambitious targets for long-term growth tied to Bitcoin. Meanwhile, Fundstrat's Tom Lee and his Ethereum-focused treasury firm BitMine Immersion Technologies announced another major expansion of their Ether holdings. BitMine now holds nearly 3% of total ETH supply and says it's more than halfway to its long-term goal of acquiring 5%. Lee told CNBC he expects crypto markets to rebound into year-end. Investors are also betting on newer ETFs. Solana-based exchange-traded funds have seen consistent inflows in recent days following their launch, while capital has been leaving Bitcoin and Ethereum funds. And policy is also driving momentum in Asia. Hong Kong's financial regulator announced that local crypto exchanges will now be allowed to connect with global liquidity pools. This is a major step towards integrating the city with international markets. Officials say the change will improve market efficiency and strengthen Hong Kong's role as a global crypto hub. In Washington, the government shutdown continues to stretch on, causing disruptions at airports and raising questions about federal aid programs. Courts have ordered the administration to resume partial payments for food assistance, but uncertainty remains as lawmakers struggle to reach a deal. And in politics, President Trump used a 60 Minutes interview Sunday night to reiterate his support for the crypto industry. He defended his pardon of Binance founder Changpeng Zhao and reaffirmed his goal to make the United States the global leader in digital assets. Trump emphasized his belief that in crypto, there's only going to be a number one, underscoring his competitive approach to global markets.
I only care about one thing. Will we be number one in crypto? Crypto has turned out, and in that sense, I've been right. Crypto's turned out to be a massive industry, if you want to call it that. And I'm very proud to say that we are far and away ahead of China and everybody else. Now, China's getting into it very big right now. If you want to go after people, you're going to kill that industry, and it'll be very bad. Tremendous number of jobs. I campaigned positively on crypto, very openly. I campaigned.
The president's remarks signal a continued policy focus on keeping the U.S. ahead of rivals like China in blockchain innovation and digital finance. Despite the turbulence, analysts like Tom Lee remain optimistic, arguing that fundamentals are beginning to lead prices again and that the next rally could emerge from the current consolidation phase. Between institutional accumulation, regulatory progress, and growing adoption across major economies, digital assets remain firmly at the center of global finance and policy. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a like and follow along for more.